Hi. Hi again. Now I tell you a little bit more about the speaker. It's a patented design from us, completely made in Germany. We produce the driver, even the membrane. You see what you see here. It's not a touch screen. It's really the membrane of the speaker. We produce it in our company from this membrane up. The whole speaker, the basket, everything is built in our company. Also, a nice thing is it's very durable. You see the front, it's a stiff bending wave speaker bounded with an epoxy resin, and it makes it totally humidity resistant. You can wish with a wet paper on it. If something is on, it's totally durable. You can hit it, it doesn't matter. So, and if you come around, you see here, what comes through the enclosure is really the basket of the driver. And it's open in the back. It has a back dispersion also. It's open to avoid any reflections and colorations of an enclosure, but it's damped in the high tones. So you don't have any reflections of modern homes like when you have a concrete wall or glass in the back. You don't have high tone reflection from that, and it stays natural. The sound stays natural.
What about the drivers?
Also in the back are the drivers. You see in front, the same drivers are in the back, and they do an impulse compensation in order to lower the distortions in the bus area. And it lowers to 1/10th part the distortions through this impulse compensation. In addition, as I told you, we have a back radiation of the bending wave, and so we also need to make a very equal dispersion on the whole frequency range, on the whole degrees of the speaker. We also need the back radiation in the bus area. And so through this, it's a very constant, equal dispersion over the 360 degree of the speaker. But you also have a very nice, you heard it, we have a very nice stage. It's not an omnidirectional speaker that's everywhere, but you don't have a center. You also have you have a very nice ambience and everything, but you also have the perfect stage and the depths of the stage and everything.
Yeah. Tell me about the subwoofers.
What you see here is our small model. It's the Epoch Force Petite. Here in the active version. So in this foot, it's milled out of a full block of aluminum. The power supply and the amplifiers have their own chamber in this foot, so they don't interact with each other over high frequencies. In this enclosure, we have, in the small subwoofer, we have 8 pieces of 9-inch woofers. Again, on the left side, 4 pieces, on the right side, 4 pieces. Again, impulse compensating. So in order to lower, to lower the distortions, and each driver has its own sealed closed chamber in this subwoofer, and in the active version, each driver has also its own 250 watt amplifier. So in the small subwoofer, we have 8 times 250 watts. In the big subwoofer, you can't see it here, it's double the size, and also double the drivers and also double the power of the amplifier. So there we have 16 9-inch woofers working each in its own sealed chamber and each driven by a 250 watt amplifier.
Tell me about your cables.
The cables that you see here now, this is the speaker cable. It's a Lacord Statement series. For this cable series, we use our own proprietary alloy. Mm-hmm. It's combined out of a few materials. I don't want to say more. And we produce the core wire, and also with a specific cross section, and also with a specific cross section of the isolation. And from this core wire, we build up all our cables. We have a speaker cable, the Lacord Statement speaker. We have a power cable, interconnects XLR RCA, digital cables, SPDIF and ISABU, and Ethernet and USB cable.
Great. Thank you.